Hey folks, Keith here again. Today we're going to do something a little different. We'll do a little bit of a flashback to a previous project, a mix of slideshows and some little videos. Managed to pick myself up a 1969 Skidoo Olympic from a friend of mine. And yeah, let's see what we can do with this thing, hey? So as you can tell, this thing's had a bit of a rough life. The gas tank is a jerry can on the side. Lots of fiberglass cracks, etc. Very, very dirty, obviously. Lots of rust, but the raw material underneath was good. Here's my youngest daughter, Cole. She was helping me out with the project when she could. So we'll go through here. There was a lot of work to do, especially with the hood. Getting it down piece by piece, breaking it down. It didn't take too long breaking it down. Things went fairly well. The machine was largely complete, so that was nice. I didn't have to source too many net new things, so that's good. Definitely the vintage of the machine, etc. was a bit of a challenge, but not too bad. There's a lot of resources out there on the internet for doing a project like this. So that was great. And very much enjoyed the project. And, you know, I have a sandblasting cabinet, so I was able to sandblast some of the smaller components. Also, I have a friend who does powder coating, so the main body was sent out for powder coating, as well as many of the accessory pieces as I could. You can see there, just wonderful opportunity when you have powder coating and you can do that sort of thing. So there I was hanging parts from the lift to paint them, the ones that I didn't send for powder coating, and the assembly, all the bogies getting reassembled. Here's a before picture of some of the chrome, and there's the after picture, or in progress picture. We didn't send it out for rechroming. We did put a new track on it as well, so here's some pictures of that coming back together. And slowly it starts to become a snowmobile again, which is great. Coming up here real quick, we're going to give the engine a test fire, a little video here for you. The engine, you know, I did soda blast it, try to clean it up a bit, but we did take it all the way down and replace all of the bearings, all the way down to the main bearing. We cracked the thing wide open. There's really not much to these engines. They're really simple to work on, which is really good, and parts were readily available for whatever we needed. You can see there it's broken right down into a couple halves. So again, really super good to work on. So coming up, we're going to do kind of the first test firing of the engine after it's rebuilt. So, you know, enjoy the little video clip, and we'll come back and talk a little more and show you some more clips of it. All right, that was exciting. Loved getting that thing started up. I always love when you get an engine started that hasn't run in many, many, many years. So you can see, just a labor of love. You know, the way to tackle a project like this, I spend at least 1 hour every evening working on it through the course of a winter here in Saskatchewan. And, you know, once you start, you know, actually committing and doing something every day, it's really not too bad. Getting it going. So got another little video coming up here, so enjoy. Let's see what it looks like. Sorry for some of the funny camera shots. right, and here's some shots of this caboose. It was in rough shape as well, missing a hood completely, so we had to order in a completely new hood. And you can see she's coming back together pretty good here. Paint's a little mismatched, but it's not too bad. Definitely kudos to my wife, who totally redid that seat. That worked very, very well. Well, I think I'll leave you guys with a nice shot of the snowmobile. Just love the sound of it as we go around. And you know what? Feel free to like, subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Doesn't cost you a thing. Definitely appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.